Previously on this old outboard.
And I've had outboards overheat on me and die out like that, and they cool down and we're fine. These little things are usually pretty bulletproof. So first thing I want to do is pull this thermostat cover off and take a quick look, see what's going on in there. He said it wasn't, no water was coming out. So combination of things, or I mean something weird other than can't run regular two-stroke oil in here. But what would stop the water coming out? Feels good. I can hear the reed valves. A little bit of crap in there, but this thermostat, I know it had to be good because I tested it, but we'll test it again. All right, so I know this water's too hot already. Let's see where we're at here. Boom, there's 140. We're looking for, look at, I melted, melted the jug. We're up there around 180. I'm gonna get a little, here, I got water right here. Cool it off right here. You don't want to throw it in 180. You want it to open. I'm sure this is probably 143 like the rest of them. 1.4. I think it says 143. That looks good to me. Boom. Boy, it don't look like it's doing a thing. But sometimes they slow. Yeah, it's opening up a little bit, I believe. I'm at 143, right on the button. Yeah, here. 140, 150, 160, 165, 168-ish. Uh-oh. Maybe she's not gonna open. Man, it's so slow. Yeah, it's opening. And I don't think it's going to open much more than that. See? See how far it's sticking out now? And as it cools, it slowly goes in. Let's take that other one, that new one from the other 6. Do a little comparison here. We're still at 165. There she goes. Now it looks like she may have opened up a little bit more than that one. So the motor's got to be around 160 to get it to really open up nice. Oh yeah, she might be opening up just a little bit more. That older one is a little slow. Yeah, I'd say they're about equal. I think the newer one is open just a little bit farther. So that might be a little bit of a problem. I'm gonna put both of these back in. Let's put them all in, what the hell. Still at 180. Yeah, the other one's opening up about the same. I'd say it's a little bit weak. It's not opening up the same. The one that was in there It's not quite as far open. All right, so this one's going to go in the motor. Look at that. It's nice and opened up. This one just never made it that far. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to throw it away so I don't ever use it again. The other thing too, when I poured water in there, nothing came out that blubber hole. Ran all the way down though. See if anything's got up in there. Oh yeah, here it comes. Little crap. It's flowing. There it comes. I had to put it in this hole, not in this hole. This is where it comes up and through. When the thermostat opens, it comes through here, blubber hole. So I think we good to go. So water's coming through, we put that thermostat in, cover back on, get the bucket under there, fill it up with water, fire it up, should be good to go. Start position. Let her warm up. A little moisture coming out. Here it comes. It's not a lot. It's coming out, but not, I would think it should be coming out more. Let's pull that thermostat out and run it one time without it and see what's going on. See how far it's open right now too. It feels pretty hot. Boy, it's way open. Look at that. Think you can see it? Look at that, man. It's jacked up way up there. Now why isn't the water coming out? Let's take it out and run it and see. I would think, being that far open, the water should be coming out that friggin' blubber hole. It's pumping. Ooh, there's some crap in there. Looks like sand. Could just be scale. That was one theory too, that he was in shallow water sucking up a lot of crap off the bottom when he first started it up. It feels like sand. Either or. Man, them birds pooped all over everything the other day. Damn it. Now, didn't I get that shooting out of there a little while ago? There it goes. It's coming out. Well, let's do this. Put the cover back on, run it without the thermostat. We know it's opening, but let's just see what happens. I just want to see more water coming out of there. There it comes, right out. Anyway, let's throw this thing back in and see. That. All right. Are we tightened up, back in business? Let's see what we got here. It's coming out. He was just telling me he's had this boat 30 years and that boat's been everywhere. He named every river, lake. Yeah, baby. Boy, that bow is still real high. I bumped it up a couple of notches. Hope nothing's wrong. Uh-oh. Nope. Thank goodness. Yeah. Boy, that bow's way up in the water. Why is it so high? I guess he needs some weight up there. That's higher than it was yesterday. It was down on the lowest notch. Yeah, it's got to go back down. It's too high. Yeah, that's way too high. So yeah, bumping it up, that's gonna make it go higher. Huh. So one more notch it's got on it to go one more higher. That's too high. He's got to bump it back down. All right, baby, I'm taking her for a ride. Drop the motor back down. Here we go. Boy, the front end on this thing still wants to come up, no matter where you put it. Plus, his cavitation plate is like 2 inches below the bottom. So he's going to lift it up, get the motor out of the water more. But it feels good. Still got a little buzzy sound to it. My phone and tested the GPS on it. Little puppy's going pretty good. She's still peeing. Sounds good. I originally had this thing set right in the middle. I've never been in a boat this small. This is cool.
Follow the real life saga, baby, and get your subscription today. Hoo hoo hoo. You never know what's gonna happen next. It's this old outboard, baby.
Yes, he sounds good.
You know the channel.